Simplicity providing extraordinary performance. Viega offers everything you need for a complete plumbing system that not only delivers hot water fast, but also increases energy savings. Need a home plumbing system that's reliable and easy to install? The Viega ManaBloc is a revolutionary home run system that supplies each plumbing fixture with an individual distribution line. With trustworthy connections, flexible Viega PEX tubing, and a comprehensive warranty, the Viega ManaBloc is the plumbing solution you need. Installing the Viega ManaBloc is fast and easy. The first step: locate an area where the supply tubing will be within 8 feet from the water heater for mounting the Viega ManaBloc. Keep in mind that the Viega ManaBloc is the centralized control for a home's water supply and should be readily accessible on an interior wall where it will not be subject to freezing or to temperatures higher than 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You can mount the Viega ManaBloc flush against a concrete wall or wood surface, or you can install it between studs. Mounting between studs eliminates the need to provide additional support for the distribution lines near the Viega ManaBloc. The second step: once the Viega ManaBloc is installed, you can start running the tubing from the Viega ManaBloc to the fixture location, leaving 1 or 2 feet of excess slack at both ends for adjustments. Flexible Viega PEX tubing bends around obstacles and above ceilings. The best way to install Viega PEX tubing is to bend with the coil, remembering not to bend the tubing to a radius smaller than 8 times its outside diameter. Or you can mount spools of Viega PEX tubing between studs near the Viega ManaBloc. Using Viega PEX tubing in red and blue doesn't require labeling them as hot and cold. As soon as the tubing is run, connect the Viega PEX tubing to the Viega ManaBloc using Viega PEX press connections. Insert the tubing. Press the connection on the stainless steel sleeves with either the battery-powered press tool or the hand tool. When the distribution lines are properly connected to the Viega ManaBloc, label each line on the cover plate to indicate which fixture that line supplies. Bundle several cold or hot distribution lines together with zip ties and support them with rigid clamps where needed. This keeps the tubing in place, supports its weight, and prevents damage and noise. Clamps should be placed every 32 inches horizontally or where code requires, and at each floor level, as well as every 48 inches vertically and at significant changes of direction. Nailer plates should be located wherever the tubing passes through studs to prevent possible damage when sheetrock or other material is nailed in place. Where tubing runs through wood, tubing insulators can be used to protect tubing from sharp edges. The third step: you can immediately pressure test the system using water or air to a maximum pressure of 100 psi. When using Viega PEX press polymer fitting, the patented Viega Smart Connect feature helps you to easily identify unpressed connections. The last step: hang valves and other fixtures and connect the distribution lines. With Viega Press technology, you can prefab these valves with adapters to save time and eliminate concern for fire. Adapters are available to transition from any type of main supply to the Viega ManaBloc system. Transition fittings simplify hookups and are suitable for nearly any application, like washing machines, dishwashers, ice makers, hose bibs, and kitchen sinks. Installers have discovered that they can rough in a typical 2,500 square foot home in around 4 hours. That's less than half the time it takes to install a rigid plumbing system, and you don't have to worry about noxious fumes or irritating adhesives. You can find a complete, easy-to-follow installation guide on the Viega website, or Viega can send a factory representative to your location to offer hands-on instruction and training. Viega ManaBloc is available in many configurations and sizing options, engineered to suit nearly any home design and flow requirement. Simplicity providing extraordinary performance, Viega offers everything you need for a complete plumbing system that not only delivers hot water fast, but also increases energy savings.